A no-show results in a forfeit, right?
Ted, move.
Nice of you to show up. Koz was about to give you a DQ.
Haha, funny. Ugh. Move your seat.
Nope.
Move it!
Whenever I'm in a car, I like to sit comfortably behind the steering wheel. I got my seat where it is, and I'm not going to change because of you.
So when'd you get this sweet car there, Walter?
Technically, it's not mine per se.
What about the garbage? Is that yours?
Sure is roomy.
Go ride your bike.
Thank you, Walter, for that. Maybe I will ride my bike and save the environment, huh?
Nope.
Clay Aiken live? You've got to be kidding me.
The man is an artist.
Personally, I prefer Ruben Studdard. Ruben Studdard thing.
No, we are not. We are not. Listen to this.
Walter, what the hell, man? You always like this in the morning?
You stop
Pumped. I'm pumped for the day.
I should have gone to law school. Ugh. What does it smell? Walter, I swear if you fart again.
Whatever I can do to cause you discomfort, I would.
Did you sleep in your car again?
Would you put the window down?
Walter, what is wrong with the windows?
Broken.
That's it. I'm getting out of this car.
You get out of this car and that's a forfeit, right, Koz?
Right.
Oh my god, that's disgusting. How can you eat that?
It's Polish. You want a bite?
I would rather listen to Clay Aiken live.
What the hell, Koz? Where did you bring that?
What, I can have breakfast now? I'll have to take this.
Why did I wake up early to sit in a car with you three losers?
Someone's coming.
Who is it?
Yes. Yes. Yes! Yes! Woo! Woo! Early to work.
Get me out of this car.
Early